Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all of my favorite skincare products, and I'm going to be walking you through my skincare routine. I'm not going to be doing the skincare routine right now, but I am going to be just like showing you the products, why I like them, in the order that I use them. I am going to start out with my morning routine. However, beforehand, I want to kind of get you guys aware of my problems with my skin. Just talk about all my problems. No. So I have really dry skin to the point that sometimes my skin on my nose will peel off and it's gross and embarrassing. And I also have really sensitive skin. I will insert a picture of how my skin looks anytime I'm allergic to any product or any ingredient in a product, anything like that. But it's taken a few years and I've finally gotten like a whole list of products that do not do that to my skin and really improved it. I haven't had any dry skin problems in quite a while, and it is winter, so I should usually have these problems like crazy, and this winter I have had zero dry skin problems on my face. So yeah, I'm gonna start out with my morning routine and then move on to my night routine. There's a few products that I use for both of them. Just one product that I use for both of them, you know. And that is the Olehenricksen Face the Truth Gel Cleanser. This is my go-to face wash, cleanser, whatever you want to use. It's really affordable. It smells like citrus and it is amazing. I use this every single time that I take off my makeup at night, and it gets any excess makeup off my face. And then I use this in the morning just kind of as like a wake me up, and it's perfect. I love it. I recommend it to everybody. And then next up in my morning routine is my Lancôme Toner Lotion. Woo! My Lancôme Toner Lotion. I really love this product as well. It's gentle enough to use in the mornings. I have another toner that I use at night that isn't gentle enough to use in the morning. But I really like this one. It doesn't have much of a smell at all. I don't like when things are too strong of a smell, especially florals, really. I'm not really a big fan of that. And then next up we're going to go on to the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid. It's like a serum. There we go. I love this product as well. It has a really weird consistency, like it's really stringy. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it's really stringy, so it's kind of weird, but I really like this product as well. This is my second bottle of it, so I really enjoy this. Next up in my morning routine is my rose facial oil. This is probably the only one that I can't really stand the smell of it too much. It's so strong, floral, but I really like the product. It's not too hydrating to the point that my face feels like sticky or gross, but it is amazing. I really enjoy this. I use this every single morning. Usually whenever I sit down to do my makeup, I use this product and my next product. Everything else I kind of do like in the morning as I'm like doing my hair or brushing my teeth. Like they're just ones that stay kind of in my bathroom on my sink, and this stays in my makeup room. Along with this moisturizer, it is the Alchemist Hydra-Repair Day Cream. That's what that looks like. It's not gonna focus, of course. There we go. This product doesn't smell too strong either. Barely, but hardly anything. It isn't moisturizing enough to use at night. It's good for day use, and it's my favorite one for day use out of every moisturizer I've used, but it's not quite good enough for nighttime use. I mean, it is a day cream. It says it in the name, but like, I wouldn't use it for nighttime. I would only use this for day. The only other step that I really do in the mornings, and this is only about 2 to 3 times a week, is I use an exfoliator. And I actually use, I don't think this is supposed to be used on your skin, or it doesn't say anywhere for your face skin, but it is the Hallu Green Tea Wonderlust Foaming Dry Scrub. I really like this. It looks like a foam, It looks like a sand. I got it all over my desk. Okay, it looks like a sand in the bottle, and then whenever it comes into contact with water, it foams up really gently. It's all over my desk. Hear that? I really like that sound though. Anyway, that is the only other thing that I do in the mornings, 2 to 3 times a week, and I always do it right after my cleanser. Like I do my gel cleanser and then this, and then I do all the other products. Moving on to my nighttime routine, I start out with the same gel cleanser. Like I said, it gets all the makeup off my face so well after, you know, removing it with a makeup wipe. And then next I go on to my The Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toning Solution. I love this as well. There we go. It doesn't have much of a smell to it. It's just a little bit like, yeah, not really much of a smell at all actually. I really like this, but it's a little bit too harsh to use more than once a day. And I would definitely use it at night. I would never use this during the day. I think it just works a lot better at night. And then I use my Lancôme Multi Vital Night Cream. It's not gonna wanna focus, there we go. And this one, the smell of this is amazing. It's like, I don't know, it's not super strong of floral. It has a little hint of floral, but I really like this. It is way too moisturizing to use during the day. So I use this every single night, and I think this has probably saved my dryness the most in terms of like a moisturizer, because wow, like you can have literally skin peeling off your nose and then use this and the next day your face is perfect. Like I love this, I swear by this. Everyone with dry skin needs this. Okay, and then about 1 to 2 times a week at night, I use the Boscia Charcoal Pore Pudding. It looks like, there we go. It looks like this. It's really stinky. I hate the smell of it. It smells straight up like mud, and every time I use it, I just kind of like try to forget how bad it smells. But I really like this product. I don't use many face masks. Face masks usually are the #1 thing to break me out. Anytime I use like a sheet mask, anything, yeah, it's bad. But this face mask is amazing. I really like it. You just put it on, let it dry about 15-20 minutes, I think. Wow, 15-20 minutes. And then you just rinse it off. Once you take this off, your face is so smooth, and I really like it. And I think it's not too expensive. I really think this is a little bit more affordable, but I love it as well. So that is my completed skincare routine. All of these are my very favorite products. I went through a million different ones to find this set that works together for me. Yeah, if you guys could give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. If you guys want to see me do a FabFitFun unboxing, go ahead and comment down below, because I get FabFitFun every season and I'd kind of like to make a video out of it. I like watching unboxings of it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.